Question 3. Calculation of limit L3. We now study the limit as x approaches positive infinity of the following expression. The numerator is x squared minus 5 times sine of x, and the denominator is x squared plus 1. Pedagogical reminder. Remember that the sine function is always bounded between -1 and +1. This implies that -5 is less than or equal to -5 times sine of x, which in turn is less than or equal to +5. Adding x squared to each part gives x squared minus 5 is less than or equal to x squared minus 5 times sine of x, which is less than or equal to x squared plus 5. Dividing through by x squared plus 1, which is always positive for any x, we obtain the following bounds. X squared minus 5 over x squared plus 1 is less than or equal to x squared minus 5 times sine of x over x squared plus 1, which is less than or equal to x squared plus 5 over x squared plus 1. Now the limit of x squared minus 5 over x squared plus 1 as x approaches infinity is equal to 1. Similarly, the limit of x squared plus 5 over x squared plus 1 as x approaches infinity is also equal to 1. Application of the squeeze theorem, also called the sandwich theorem. Since the function being studied is squeezed between two functions that both tend to the same limit, it must also tend to that same limit. Thus, L3 equals 1. Teacher's tip: as soon as you see sine or cosine multiplied by a constant factor, but with no growth stronger than polynomial, think immediately of the squeeze theorem.